Go.
Hello. I shall return for my revised engineering audio amplifier. You can use the cell phone, DVD for the input. For the purpose this is the boost the low signal to high signal. I want to show you this speaker. This is the lead for the indicator, output indicator. This is my micro amplifier. The use of the amplifier, the using IC of TDA2006. And this is a potentiometer, 10 key.
Adjuster.
Adjuster of the volume control. What you call? This Tupperware. Tupperware. The conversation. Oh, Rel innovation.
Yeah.
You know. I want to see you how to
Work. And function.
Functionally.
This Tupperware.
This Tupperware for the the supply, the positive, negative. Just close Tupperware, you know. Then like the power supply.
The main supply.
Then for the DVD,
Where's the DVD?
this is the DVD portable.
Okay.
I want to show you how it works. This is my DVD tape for the audio.
DVD CD.
I want to show you how to it work. You know. This is my what you call the transformation of the low frequency to high frequency, then out by the speaker. We can see the DVD is working. Then just volume positive to high. Yeah, you know this. We can hear audio. That's working. It's my favorite, you know. It's my favorite. Yes. Volume control, don't work, slow, high, can see the indicator output. The Tupperware is transformation.
One day by Starbucks, I bumped into a guy rocking black checks.
That's all, thank you. Thanks. I shall return.